she chasing me, I'm right where I wanna be with the beat on my Bentley. Checks on my Air Max. Haters, better fall back before I put some in your ball cap. That's my chick, I got her back like a bra strap.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Duking. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great, man. I'm gonna be here with my little niece and nephew, and today we're gonna make another candy review video for you guys. This time it's from Asia, Japanese, mixed candy. Me and my little niece and my nephew are gonna be reacting, giving our honest review on the candies that we bought from Asian market. So I'm just waiting for them to come. So guys, here we are, my little nephew Hashir, and I'm here with my niece Ariana and my nephew. Today we're gonna give honest review on Asian candy. So candy, snack, whatever, you know what I mean? So today, first thing we're gonna try is potato snack. Look like little noodles type of thing. We're gonna try it. Let's see how it goes. Let's see.
Good.
So what are you gonna give this? I'll give this. It's a regular potato chip in curly noodles. I'll give this 6 out of 10.
I give it 5 out of 10.
Ari, what are you gonna give?
4 out of 10.
Alright, 4 out of 10 guys for her. Alright, that's the number 1. Number 2 will be, oh, that looks so good. Oh my god, potato chips with,
Potato chips.
I think these are oyster flavor. I don't know if they're gonna like it, but I will enjoy it for sure.
Pepper.
You can see. Kind of thing, but let's see.
Pepper. Spicy pepper.
Ka-ching! I love it.
Pepper.
I give this 8.9 out of 10. What about you?
7 out of 10.
Okay. What do you want to give, Boo Boo?
7 and 9 10.
7 out of 10. So 7 out of 10, I'll give this 8.5 out of 10. Oh, seaweed chips. Woo! Seaweed chips.
Seaweed.
Seaweed flavor chips. Guys, it's gonna be interesting. I don't know if they're gonna like it. Here we go.
I'm gonna smell.
This is how it looks like, guys. Check it out.
It smells good.
Here you go, Adi.
It smells good.
Alright, here we go. It's alright. I'll give this 6.5 out of 10. What do you want to give?
9.6 out of 10.
Adi? What do you want to give this rating?
8.7.
What did he say?
Alright, I don't know what she said, but okay. The next flavor is, look interesting. I don't know what the purple drink is. You guys can see the purple drink.
That looks like grape juice.
I know it looks like grape juice,
Yes,
but
I like
it's
grape
called
juice.
paprika. Okay, paprika, guys. Alright, whatever. We're gonna try it. Ooh.
Make sure it's dry. Oh, they look. They're good. They're good. They taste good to me.
It's so tasteless. No taste.
Yeah, there's no taste.
Alright. I give this 5 out of 10.
A 5.10 out of.
Alright, what do you want to give?
I give 47.
Alright. We have one more.
Okay.
Look like a green tea one.
Wow, green tea one.
Look interesting, guys, if you can see it.
Yeah, it looks like a green. It looks like apple.
1, 2, 3, try.
Looks really good.
The green tea one is really good, guys.
Green tea.
This 10 out of 10. I love it. So good.
So good.
Mwah.
Give it 9 out of 10.
Audi, what are you gonna give?
I can find it.
Alright, I don't know what she's saying.
Yeah, me too.
The next one is a jelly gummy
Jelly.
kiwi flavor. Ooh, never seen this before from
Yeah, me too.
Japanese guy. This is how it look like, guys.
Okay. Really good.
10 out of 10. So good. What do you say?
8 out of 10.
10 out of 10? 10 out of 4? Alright. And then we have watermelon, guys. Gummy watermelon. Woo! Never seen this before in America before.
Now it's different.
This looks so good. Look at this watermelon. So good.
So good.
So far, the gummies are my favorite, man. Alright, guys. Last but not least, we have my favorite. I tried this before. I love it.
Yeah, me too.
Green tea Kit Kat. You never see this in America, but it's in Japan, man. Japanese. My favorite candy. I tried this before, Kit Kat, and it is one of the best. I don't know why America don't sell it, but mwah. Alright, we're gonna open it. Mmm. 100 out of 10. I love this.
I give this 300 out of
10. Woo! What do you give, Boo Boo?
8.47.
What did he say?
It was amazing, guys. Anyway, my favorite candy was not the. I'm not a big fan of chips. I don't eat chips daily, but I do eat candies. Okay, guys, not the sweetest candy, but the watermelon, kiwi, the green tea cookie rolls. I love this.
Yeah, me too.
And the green tea, Kit Kat, and what, like I said, those things are chips was not my favorite. I didn't enjoy them, but the candies, mwah, amazing. You guys enjoy candies?
Yep.
So maybe next candy we'll review some more Mexican candy. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more Mexican candy that we have to try. Ooh, what? America? Come on, wake up. We need these kind of candies in America, right? Why can't we have this? Right? Why can't we have this?
Yeah, I wish I could try those again.
Yeah, it's so amazing, guys. So anyway, if you guys enjoy our video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Those of you who are new to my video or my channel, welcome. I'll give you a hug if you subscribe my channel. And if comment down below what other candy should we try, and we will try it for you guys. Right, guys? Just comment down below and which country candy should we try next. We can try Pakistani candies.
Yep.
We're gonna try Pakistani candy next, guys. Be ready, we're gonna try them and it's gonna be amazing. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. Depends how fast we can get the candy. So hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Till then, peace!
Picture me and my gangster girl riding with the top back. Banging knee on my neck, free on my socks hat. Tilted to the side like you know I get my grind on. Get my shine on, drip blinking over.